Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Ford Fusion side mirror. First, gather your tools like a flathead screwdriver and a socket wrench. Make sure you have a new mirror assembly ready. Park your vehicle safely and turn off the engine completely. This preparation ensures a smooth and easy replacement process. You'll be surprised how quickly you can get this done with the right steps. Now let's remove the old mirror. Gently pry off the interior trim panel that covers the mirror bolts. You might need a plastic trim tool for this. Once exposed, carefully disconnect the electrical connector. Then, use your socket wrench to unscrew the three mounting bolts holding the mirror in place. Keep these bolts safe for later use. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new mirror assembly onto the door frame, aligning the bolt holes. Secure it firmly by screwing in the three mounting bolts you saved earlier. Don't over-tighten them. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to ensure all functions work properly. This step is crucial for proper operation. You're almost done. Reattach the interior trim panel, making sure it snaps securely into its original position. Now, it's time to test. Turn on your vehicle and check the new mirror's electronic adjustments and any heating functions. Confirm that the mirror is securely mounted and all features work correctly. Great job, your Ford Fusion is ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.